Look at that. Look at it. Oh, that's cool. That's like what you see out of the Arrma commercials.
So it was like for the Creighton 8S reveal.
It was.
That was pretty cool. Oh my God.
Oh, that was bad. Wow. No.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, perfect.
You landed it.
There it is. There it is. There it is. That was epic. That's the most air we've ever gotten here. Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh, I am here with the brand new Arrma Talion. Yesterday we did a speed test to see how fast this would go, so make sure you go check out that video. But today is the most anticipated video of the year. The Arrma Talion at Bash Mountain. This thing, I think, is gonna get some crazy air today, and we're definitely gonna test to see how durable it is. If it can survive Bash Mountain, it can survive almost anything, for sure. Oh, and did you guys see the Arrma race car this past weekend? That thing looked awesome, and I'm just gonna say it for everybody. Arrma, why isn't this out already? Where's this race car? We all want it, so just go ahead and make it. All right, let's go.
Ooh.
This is gonna be a fun day.
Wow. Oh, you just hit camera.
Yep, it's gonna be fun. We all get to kind of make fun of Nate this week because he doesn't really get to touch the RCs because it's my week.
It is Abby week.
It is Abby week.
I'm jealous. Oh my gosh, yeah.
Trying to get it a little muddy, Nate.
Do that one more time. It's awesome. Thing is a power sliding beast. Oh! Man, I'm jealous. This thing is crazy. You ready to hit Bash Mountain? Waterproof, but nice. There's a butterfly that won't leave me alone. It landed on the camera. You guys can't even see it. Look out, there it is. There's a little butterfly. It's landing on the camera. All right, let's hit Bash Mountain.
Look at this like crevice.
Whoa, whoa. Nice, nice, nice. That was cool. A couple kids on dirt bikes were here a couple nights ago. Wow. That's the first vehicle to make it up this section. You did it.
I did it. I'm not going all the way up because I don't want to lose it.
Yeah, that was amazing. That was honestly amazing.
That was like so easy. Wow.
Perfect. No vehicle we've had has ever made it up here. Yeah, that is sliding away bad. It's cool though. Okay, let's do Bash Mountain.
Well, it made it up there. I guess we're done.
No, 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 no. The new Arrma Talion up Bash Mountain. Whoa! I just saw tree destruction. I wish I was up there too. That was amazing. Oh, it's still in one piece. Yeah! Whoa!
I just saw my life flash before my eyes.
That was insane. Had to join Abby. You guys were missing all the good angles, I think.
Steep.
Yeah, Bash Mountain. This place is nuts.
I cannot be held liable if this hits you in the face.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whoa, you did not need to hit the brakes, but you still landed it. This is a beast.
It's crazy, I love it.
I love the Vortex, the Arrma Vortex, because it's a 3S beast, but this is like, it's double the power. Kicking the pants off the Vortex. There you go, you almost hit the brakes in time. Man,
So I was gonna pick for my week, I think I was leaning toward the Creighton 6S. I
really?
think that's what I was going for.
Well, this is better than the Crane 6S.
I think so, and so I'm really glad this came out just in time for my week. Oh, that just got me. This thing kicks up dust, it's wild.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh.
Come on, flip over. Flip over. Flip.
Well, you're going down the hill now. Well, this is a lot higher up the hill than Abby thought, unfortunately. She's got it. Abby weak. Hold on to it. Ride it down the hill. Oh! Hey, 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 hey! Whoa! Oh! There it is! Yeah! Oh! Nope, nope. Oh man, scares me. Oh, that was bad. Wow. No. When I say veer right at the last second, I don't mean at my face. I can't tell you how scary that is. Oh, into the giant tree. Can you spot the RC? Check it out. There it is, in its natural habitat. At least when Abby drives it. No!
Not a Bash Mountain video unless it goes in the trees!
Oh, jeez. That was inches away. Nice. Man, every time you land upside down.
I can't see it!
She can't see it. Jeez, that thing is crazy. Wow, you're still upside down though.
I'm coming up there.
You're coming up here?
I think I've broken our rule of 3 about 20 times now.
Oh my gosh, I didn't know that was coming. It's Abby week.
But I let you drive yesterday, so.
What'd I drive? Speed test?
Yeah, you already forgot? It's like the Drift King. It's fun, huh?
Oh, it's powerful.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. That
Yeah.
is like a scene out of a movie.
It's awesome.
Okay, all right. Okay, I don't want to die. Oh!
First try in the bushes. Woo!
Yeah, I
Whoa!
just took it easy on the throttle at the top.
All right, you showed me.
It can be done.
You can land it.
It can be done. You
I am not good at landings.
But you got better air.
I do get better air sometimes. Go, 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 go!
That's not bad.
Wow, you like kicked up the back. That was crazy. Nice. Nice. Very, very nice.
All right, one more here, and then we'll hit the big part. Oh, wipe out.
You still landed it.
Yeah, corner.
This thing likes you.
It might be mine, even though it's Abby week. I might inherit this one as my own. But just because I didn't make it all the way to the top.
I want to see you get air at the top. You're just like
okay.
bouncing
All right,
it.
all
You're
right,
like bunny hopping.
Here we go. I can do it.
I'm gonna throw you in front of me.
Oh! See, when you throttle up too hard.
Please tell me you didn't break my vehicle.
Nah.
Okay, good. Isn't that fun? Look how much Where did it go? Where did it go for a second? Oh my gosh, it's a forest fire.
This is awesome.
Woo!
This is so awesome. Look at that. That's like.
I think my camera is just a blur now. I think you broke my camera.
Look at that. Look at it. Oh, that's cool. That's like what you see out of the Arrma commercials.
So it was like for the Crate 8S reveal.
It was.
That was pretty cool. Do it again. That's fun.
Man, that's cool. Sorry. Oh, perfect!
You landed it! Oh, dragonfly! Wow! Go, go, go.
So weird to just drop it, but so cool too. Watch out, watch out. In the tree. Oh, I think I got more air than you.
I think you did. It went up off the trees. Look at the dirt. I just got a mouthful. You're dangerously wild with this.
I like it.
It's never a good ramp unless you end up in the tree up here. Yeah.
Abby week's turning out to be pretty fun. Okay, don't die.
Please don't kill me.
Oh, sorry. Too much tree. I meant to go right.
You guys see all this dust? Where's it? Oh, the poison ivy. Oh, there it is. It's on the ground. Right in poison ivy. Oh, look, you guys. These are blackberries, not ready yet.
Right, okay. Gotta get my lines down. There it is, there it is. That was epic. That's the most air we've ever gotten here.
So you guys, it went all the way over there.
That was amazing.
It's right there. Oh my gosh.
Well, that was cool. I was a little bit intimidated on that one just because of our last ramp. I want to hit this one a little harder.
The dust every time that kicks up with it. Wow. Was it doing that when I was ramping?
Yeah.
That's wild.
Okay, ready? Oh my gosh!
You went higher than that. What kind of tree is that? A maple?
Sycamore? Yeah.
You went like all the way up there.
It's in the woods pretty bad.
Have fun with that. Thou who does that retrieves thou-ist.
Where's that gene going?
And tons of poison ivy everywhere. I don't even know how you fit back there.
I don't know how it got so far back in there.
It looks like it's in one piece.
Yeah,
not broken.
So
So that's
slammed
good.
into a tree.
You got a leaf on your head.
Let's do this again.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, I thought that would be fun.
Looks like you're going back in the
brakes.
jungle.
Last one.
Oh my gosh! Did that go over my head? I felt like it went over my head.
I can do better than that for a last one, right?
You still have a leaf on your head.
Okay. This is the last one. Here we go. All right, don't break, don't break, don't break. In the tree. That's okay. That's okay. I'll take that. The air is crazy.
Someone come trim these trees for us.
Please. Well, I'm honestly just tired of pulling this thing out of the woods.
Look at the new addition.
Now that is a good sign of a good RC. Guys, the brand new Arrma Talion. I just want to say Talion, like a horse is a stallion. That's what I want to say, but you know, maybe it's the Talion. I don't know. 6S. This thing looks mean, aggressive. It is awesome. It gets 53 miles an hour right out of the box. If you don't believe me, go watch our speed test with an upgraded speed pinion gear. You can hit 70 miles an hour.
That's what it says.
Man, that's quick. And I would not want to go any faster than this.
Looks like our body took a little bit of damage right there.
Not too bad. That's probably from hitting the tree.
But other than that.
Man, we've had some fun. I hope you guys are enjoying Abby Week. I'm wrapping this up just because I'm the one that launched it into the trees, I guess.
I have dirt in my eyes right now.
Yeah.
You have protective eyewear.
Sure. This will be linked in the description box below if you want to pre-order one of these, or if you're watching this months after it's been out and you can buy them. If they're in stock, good luck. We'll have it linked in the description box below. If you use our link, you help support our family and our channel, and we are forever grateful. We're also massively thanks to God for giving us a beautiful day to drive this awesome beast of an RC on, and a huge thanks to our Patreon supporters, because you know we couldn't do our channel without you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We're a little behind on stickers. Those will be coming out your way very soon. Super sorry for being behind, but we've prioritized content like this over getting those stickers out, so I'm sorry, but I'm also not sorry in a way. We love our Patreon supporters. You guys are the best. We'll have the speed test video of this amazing RC vehicle popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there.
Bye.